The HOOBRO Narrow Console Table is designed to maximize storage space with its spacious tabletop and multiple shelves, making it perfect for organizing and displaying items in a tidy manner. Its compact dimensions allow it to fit seamlessly into narrow spaces, whether in the foyer, behind a sofa, or in an entryway, providing both storage and aesthetic appeal. Constructed from quality panels and metal, this durable table offers stability with adjustable feet and anti-tip devices, supporting a considerable weight on each shelf and the tabletop. The table's rustic brown wooden panels, paired with a black metal frame, create an industrial style that adds a touch of elegance and personality to any room. Assembling this table is straightforward and efficient, thanks to the clear instructions, numbered parts, and included tools, saving you time and effort. This versatile console table not only serves practical storage needs, but also acts as a decorative highlight, enhancing the overall ambiance of your living space.